na Ginebra from beyond the arc. Meralco. They got the offensive rebound and the second chance points.
Oh, great
Oh,
play.
wide open.
Ko with an Ko is a great facilitator. He is a great hub for the formation of
The movement ng Barangay Ginebra.
naiwanan si
Aha,
Quinton.
tuloy. Oh, eto na naman.
Japeth with his second slam dunk of the match.
It's the offensive rebounding and the second chance points.
Scotty peeks inside. Nobody to pass it to. There is Japeth for the slam.
What a dunk coming from Japeth Aguilar. Found himself open, close to the basket. Yung sinasabi natin na kailangan gawin ng Meralco, hindi nangyayari. They're not pressuring the early passer and Karam! What a nice floater! Yung sinasabi natin about the miscues ng Ginebra. It's a 9-0 run by Meralco, but that's a great block.
By Scotty Thompson.
Coming from Scotty Thompson. Again, yung elevation ni Scotty.